That is a laser machine, fully powered right now, without any keys in the ignition. Full power everywhere in the back of this van. It functions like a store. You can knock 3-4 of these out in an hour. Make a couple $100 at one location. You can also do the custom engravings on jewels, hats, clothing, any type of accessories. It's all built within a special unit. Its own custom light switch right here. Power switch in the front that turns on everything else. Got plenty of storage for anything you might need. Let's take a look at where our laser's at. You can do any job mobily. We were limited as technicians for a while, but now, one of the most inconvenient repairs we can do right in the comfort of somebody's home, office, or even when they're working on their boat yard. Best place we've been to so far was a landfill. So for the demonstration, we have an XR right now. And Andy is returning. As you can see, we use a wireless keyboard and mouse, which powers all this up. We have a separate monitor here for an HDMI cable to plug your computer into for a point of sale system. Mobile is the future. Pulse has 5,000 mobile technicians, and U-Brake iFix just bought 500 mobile vans. We will build you a custom van with your name, your logo, your everything. We will install whatever equipment you want. We use Tesla batteries as well as solar panels to power the higher ampage equipment. However, if you want something as basic as a heat gun or a heat mat, we'll be able to do that as well by using a lower source of power mechanism that is a little bit less expensive. And I know for all you guys questioning the fumes, there's an extractor built out the back of here. It filters it out the back. Also up front, have a nice little laptop stand. Keep everything going for you. The back.